Alrighty, so we got your document all squared away here, and the first thing you make sure that you do is up here under report. Um, when you do type in the title of your report here, in this case, you're going to be the Arctic. We'll just call it Arctic Refuge is what we'll do. And then let's just say we kept on typing here. When you go up and click on report here, oh, it didn't do it. Usually it will do it, but make sure you name your document right here. So when you turn it in, it just doesn't say as my report. Because what will happen eventually is in your Google Drive, you're going to have a whole bunch of documents that all show up as my report. And you won't know which one is what. So make sure and give this a name. Under tools, we need to go and we need to do a little add-on here. So when you click on add-ons, you're going to go to get add-ons. And it shows up here just because I searched for it earlier. But just in case yours doesn't, if you type in easy bib in the top here and click on that, you'll see that this is the document creator here. We're going to go and click on install. It's going to ask you about needing permissions to install. So I'm going to continue through this. It's going to ask you about using your Grossmont account. So yes, we're going to use that one. All this business here is totally okay. And then it has been installed, and notice it shows up under add-ons. So once we're done with this, I can close out. And then if I had an address, and let me just get one here real quick. So we'll do this Arctic Refuge, and we'll pick this page right here. And then we'll go to about the refuge. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to copy this link right here. So when I go back to Google Docs and I want to do the add-on in the Easy Bib Creator, I click on Manage Bibliography here. It's going to come up with a source. It's going to be website is what I'm going to select here. And under website, I'm just going to paste in the website that I just found that from. When I do a search, it's going to double check online, and it's going to show up as hopefully is exactly where I was at. So in this case, it's about the refuge, and I'm going to select that. And then notice it's going to say add bibliography to the document. So I click on that. And then if I scroll down to the bottom here, you'll notice under the works cited page, it's in there automatically. Now, as you come up with another source, another document, or another place, let's go back and actually let's just pick wildlife and habitat. And then I'll copy that link and then go back here. So then with my next one, I would just paste in the address, go to search. And then this is the one that I wanted here, wildlife and habitat. And I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to add that bibliography to the document. And then notice Magic Kazoo, wow, it shows up right down here. Didn't have to do anything special. And notice I also didn't have to delete the works cited that was already here. EasyBib did that for me. Isn't that easy? It's supposed to be. When you're done, close out of this. And I wanted you to have 3 different sources. I really can't only have one source here, but this is just for the instruction part of it. So go through, do that, make sure you have a title here, make sure you've got your resources cited here at the bottom, and that will do it.